This is the IRM Moto Gemini 1250 GSA adjustment video. Today we're going to show you how to adjust the length of travel of the footrests. To make these adjustments, we recommend removing the lower part of the crash bar, and we're going to start that by removing the wire from the two clips in front. The last part to remove this crash bar is to remove the 4 bolts. There's a T50, a T50, a T40, and a T40. We're going to start by adjusting this lower footrest, which is done by this stop bolt here. The lower footrest has 4 adjustment positions determined by the stop bolt. Notice there are 2 threads. The bolt can either go in this direction or this direction for the 4 positions. Here is an image of the 4 positions. Pick your desired one and move the bolt accordingly. Next, we're going to adjust the upper footrest. Let's start by loosening the stop bolt right here. Next, rotate the footrest to your desired position, and then rotate the stop into the footrest and tighten the bolt. Next, we're going to reinstall the crash bar. Make sure you have both pegs open, and we're going to fish this lower peg through this opening. Now that we have the crash bar in place, reinstall the 4 bolts. Lastly, reinstall the wire clips. That's it for the adjustment. Do the same for the left side.